taking a picture. Now it'll come back to me and land in my hand.
Is that what the drone
Watch out
is?
your head. Because it don't know you. Now watch this. No, it's doing a circle around us. I hope it don't drown out there. Don't drown, drone. You're on the river. Okay, I got confused there for a minute. It's doing good. Making a...
Those trees are there?
No. Now it should come back to me. Okay, now you kind of turn and look at it as it goes around. You can wave if you want. Hey, droney. Hey, we're down here at the Columbia River Sacagawea Park. I don't know if it's legal to fly here, but I'm flying, so I might be in trouble.
I don't think you get in trouble with that little one.
I don't know yet. It's legal, but now it should come.